Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
O President ka MPCC ba Vincent H. Pala, ulaong baka Khlem ka dom ka Krensha ya ka Jingbomla Trekam ka ne ka Sorkar, ha kabala yo ibo Lamphang ka Iing Dorbar u Khlem Shim ya ka Jingkitkhlieh, ha batwa ka dom. Bad ula kenoru baka Khlem ka dom day baka Sorkar ka kwaban plino ya ka Iing Dorbar shwa ka por, kumba ka pau, kim sngotu iki jinit kijnat badon kam, lane Henry Kishania tang haki officer baday pen. Uba Vincent H. Pala ula kenoru baka Khlem kadom imat kadon ka Jingbam sab bat ban kya ya ka company bashim kontrak ban shna ya ka ne ka Iing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla. Bat habay day pat bat ka Jinglait pet Jingkitkhlieh na bendi jowai ula ong baka Jinglait pet Jingkitkhlieh ka paushai baka ladon ka Jingkitkhlieh club Henry ya ka ka bakila penyap ya Kitkhlieh balait pet na patok kalong ka bom tenat kine baro ki ja namar kalaban ka duk ka kerdo hadu bakam dan syu kata ka jingko ngu ya ka an.
See, the domes collapse is totally a failure of the government, and you have seen the speaker did not take any responsibility.
Now we call upon Gwency Grisha Mauki for securing 86% in the SSLC examination 2022.
The assembly before time, not only in time, before time. So most of the people
I would like to call upon
Iba either they don't understand
84.4% in the HSSLC Art Examination 2022
technicality, or they don't understand the engineering of it. They totally depends on the corrupt officials. Therefore, instead of living for a setting for a certain months,
I would like to call upon Abhishek Singh for securing 85.6% on the SSCE Science Examination 2022.
And not only complete before time, I think the corruption level, the pressure on the contractors.
Now I would like to call upon Comfort Donald Longseat for securing 84.8% in the SSE Examination 2021.
Number two, regarding the jailbreak, you have seen the system of jailbreak. The corruption level is even up to that level.
Now I would like to call upon Ritesh Kumar Rai for securing 85% in the SSLC Examination 2022.
I don't like the way how these people have been killed, because all these, but the poverty level has become very high. If you go to village to village, the poverty level is very high. People have no option. The increase of all these lawlessness is not only in the village, but it's also here in the city. If you come to Lakshmi, I've seen my own family's house. Many a time they came, and so many thieves are there. So
we now call upon Ayushi for securing 84.11% in the ICSE Examination 2021.
Very poor. So these are the results of the corruption. The corruption doesn't end only in institutions.
Next we call upon Bhagat
the corruption doesn't end only in the domes. The corruption doesn't end only in the jailbreak. The corruption is in the street. The corruption is, the government servant did not get the increment for so many years. The health workers did not get the salary.
Now we call upon Denzel Lamphang for securing 84% in the ICSE Examination 2020.
Now the present government is trying to recover the phases, but I think
next we call upon Sneha Day for now we call upon Bipop Day for securing 83.3% in the SSC
the system which they have done, the
Science Examination 2021
investigations which they have done, that already told. I think the way has been killed is very inhuman.
Next we call
and
upon
I think the comment is responsible. All this because the part of corruption, because the officers who they put to do the operations are maybe not experienced, incompetent. That's why this is all the responsibility of the government. The policy the government has taken, the transfer, the posting, the government has taken, and the good officers who experience in the operation, the good police officers who experience in all handling all these things has been dumped. And whereas the corrupt officers who can take money, they are put in the front. So all these failures because of the corruption of the government.